Family violence is a scourge across Australia, and the statistics are alarming.
Family violence is still tragically far too common across Australia.
Hello and welcome to About the House. An Australian parliamentary committee has launched a new inquiry into how Australia's federal family law system can better support and protect people affected by family violence. The committee aims to make recommendations that will improve the system for all participants. Committee Chair Sharon Henderson MP joined us to discuss the inquiry.
I'm delighted that we have announced an inquiry into the family law system for those affected by family violence. This inquiry is all about reaching out to all Australians. Many Australians have been affected by family violence, and we're looking into ways in which the federal family law system perhaps can be changed to better support and protect those affected by family violence.
Deputy Chair Sharon Claydon MP says the inquiry will focus in part on the role of self-representation in family law matters.
Cross-examination laws is an issue that a number of people impacted by family violence have raised with me. We've got increased sort of self-representation in court, and the situation whereby someone who's been subjected to family violence is then cross-examined by the perpetrator of that violence is deeply offensive. I know the other area of concern has been around the capacity of our legal system to actually respond to the increasing numbers of people that they're seeing coming through the legal system.
In this inquiry, your voice matters. To have your say, you can either fill out an online questionnaire or an expression of interest to make a public statement about your experience.
One of the very important parts of this inquiry is that we are reaching out to all Australians through an online questionnaire that can be accessed through the inquiry's website. That will give every Australian the capacity to talk about their personal experience, whether it be as someone who has been impacted by family violence, someone who may have been caught up in the family court system, perhaps as a grandparent. But it's very important that we give every single person the chance to have his or her say.
We're being very mindful of being able to provide some assurances to people giving evidence that they can do so with some, remaining anonymous if they need to. They can identify and we can keep that information confidential, but we are not in the business of trying to re-traumatise people. And yet it is vital that we get a strong sense of the lived reality and experience of those people that have been through family violence, and also trying to navigate family law system.
To have your say about this inquiry, just visit aph.gov.au/FV Law Reform.